Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, Sanjana here from Femina's Beauty Team, and today I'm going to show you how you can wear the dewy makeup look. It's minimal, chic and gives a nice illuminating radiance to your face. What's the best thing about it? It's ideal for the weather right now. Perfect summer look, it's extremely easy breezy, and I don't think there's anything as gorgeous as a fresh looking skin. So watch me how I get the look done, follow the steps in the video and get yourself a lovely dewy look. Do try this at home and tell us what you think about it. For any suggestions or anything you have to share with us, tell us in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe.